Activate.
It's pizza versus the sheep. Pizza coming in with the slam. And sheep trying to retaliate. The most violent you've ever seen. Chasing around, trying to get a good position on each other.
Pick enable.
Devastating overhead pizza, some great somersaults. Time doing a little bit of a dance for everyone.
Descended.
Like this.
Descended.
Pizza with that devastating blade is trying to carve into the top of the sheep. Things are definitely happening. I can't see any of them. Bring down the pizza. Atop the embroidery. Atop the sewing. Devastation in the arena. You can't hit the sheep in the face. Or maybe you can, I don't know, I'm not your boss.